Hey, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making some frog legs. Yes, today we're making frog legs. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it up like so. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. Just make sure it is thoroughly clean, even though it was cleaned before. And then I will go ahead and just pat it dry and make sure we don't have excessive water. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bowl and I'm gonna add in a buttermilk, some mustard, some paprika, some coriander, but if you do have nutmeg, you can always add nutmeg, some salt, and some black pepper. But you can always add Cajun seasoning to it also, but I didn't have any Cajun seasoning, so I just added those spices in there. And then you're gonna put in your frog leg inside and marinate it for an hour. So I put mine in the refrigerator and let it marinate for an hour. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and make my flour mix. It's just how we make fried chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and make my flour mix. I'm gonna get my flour. I'm gonna add paprika, black pepper, and salt as well. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. And then from there, we're just gonna go ahead and dip it and then fry it. Just like how we do fried chicken. Like, there's absolutely nothing different from how we make fried chicken. So this is a very quick and easy recipe. I know not a lot of people do eat frog legs, but if you do decide to try, go ahead and try it. It does really taste good. It's like a combination of shrimp and chicken at the same time. It's very delicious. I know it looks weird, yes, but it tastes good, so you have to try it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go dip it in the flour, warm up my oil, any type of oil that you use. Go ahead and fry your meat, and then there you go, nice and crispy and delicious. So it's a very quick and easy recipe. Like, there's nothing really complicated to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully I see you guys on the next one. Thank you.